Align section. Align section is when we create a section by passing two different cutting plane lines that are not parallel. So here I have them on this angle. Then we take those two angled cutting plane lines and we rotate them so that there would be into one cutting plane. So what we're going to do is first we're going to jump over to a layout tab and go to layout 2. I'm going to erase my floating view part. I'll go up to the ribbon bar and go to layout. I'm going to go to Viewbase. I'm going to go from model space. Make sure my type is base only. So I'll say base only. And I'm going to change my orientation. I don't like that. I'm going to go with my top view. There we go. And I'll say, alright, I'll pick that right there. And then I'll say OK. And now I want to come in here and I want to choose my aligned section view. I pick on the parent view and then I pick on a start point. So I'm going to pick right here and then I'm going to pick right to there and then I'm going to come across. I'm going to turn on my ortho for this. I'm not too worried about my positioning usually, but I'll pick and then I'll hit enter for being done. You'll say, what do you want the new location? I can come over here and say, oh, I want it to be over here. Alright, and I can turn off my ortho. I turn on my ortho, either or for this, but it's going to project it off. I can come straight down or over here. Now, I don't like it over here because it's not a standard view, but down here I could have my front view here and I'm going to place it and I'm going to say OK. Now I just created a front view that is a aligned section view. It's basically making this part straight so that we can see the measurements along this cutting plane line. It's not projected, a true projection. It's more of a conventional practice that we would make this look like it was a straight part so that we know the distances between the holes, for example, along this cutting plane line. So this is called an aligned section. So we're going and using an aligned section.